when you're trying to hide from Monday like, can't find me, meow.
What you looking at, bro?
Can't resist swatting at mommy's hand when she least expects it. Who needs therapy when you have this fluffy therapist by your side?
Aw, so cute.
Just a casual meet and greet between the furriest frenemies in town.
Let's go! Come on! Come on!
When you try to be nosy and sniff your friend's business, but immediately regret it.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Who needs toys when you have a slippery hallway and an abundance of energy?
What?
What the heck are you doing?
Just when you thought my fur hat couldn't get any fancier. Surprise!
It's a cat.
That's weird.
High five, humans. I've got this possum handshaking thing down pat. Who knew treats could inspire such piety?
Come here. Pray. Oh my god, that is so cute. Are you serious?
Very serious.
I feel that. Stop.
Who needs a cat bed when there's a perfectly good box to squeeze into? Cats put on an Academy Award-winning performance just to score some popcorn. I've decided to level up my kitchen supervision skills and be your new sous chef.
That's quite big.
Judgmental cat be like, "Be gone, peasant!"
Oh, yeah.
When your friend starts telling a boring story and you gotta shut it down.
What?
My cat giving me the look while I try to capture their playful antics on camera. When the cat and baby's secret alliance is finally revealed.
Like, what are you doing?
Don't worry, the horse just gave a gentle reminder to respect its personal space. This sneaky cat makes breaking and entering look like child's play.
Oh my gosh, she's so smart. He knows I unlocked it. Let's see how many seconds it takes him to go in. What do you think, Sparky Doodle? He's like, can I really, Ma? Can I really? You gonna let me open the door? Peaches, you're hanging 10. Wow! Yay!
Talk to the hand, human.
What the hell?
I refuse. No! No!
Me trying to adult-like.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
Look at this dude.
Dreams of ruling the neighborhood one day. Move over, woolly friend. The queen of the barnyard has arrived.